This is how to disengage a liftmaster garage door opener. One way, if you just want to disconnect it so it connects, all you got to do is this. So, look for your red cord and just pull straight down. Now your opener should connect once you run it. Once you run it. So we're going to run it real quick. And you can see it. Your opener is to pull. And this is how you make your opener not connect. If you want it. So you pull it straight down, and once it's down, pull it down a little bit, and then pull it back. So straight down, down, back. Now, there should not engage. I'm gonna run it. Rolling. It did not engage. But how you re-engage it so it'll re-engage, you just pull straight down. I mean to the door. Till you hear it click. Like that. Now your door should be engaged. So run it. See if it connects. Sorry about that. I gotta get this video fast. I thought it was done. So, now your opener should be engaged.